Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss regular expression. The language accepted by finite automata can be represented by some expression, that is regular expression. Now we will discuss formal definition of regular expression. That is the class of language over input can be recursively defined as phi and epsilon. Phi is a null set and epsilon is empty string. These are the regular expressions, that is phi or empty string. This is a regular expression. Then if summation equal to a, that is a is the input symbol, then a single symbol can also be called as a regular expression. If two expressions, that is r1 and r2, are regular expressions over any input, then the combination, that is union of the two regular expressions and series, that is r1 dot r2 and r1 closure or r2 closure, are also regular expressions. Closure is repetition of the same thing. That is, if we are writing like a closure, then it means either empty string or number of times a. That is, we can call it as a recursion. So these are some definitions of regular expressions. Either null symbol or empty string is a regular expression. Single alphabet or single input symbol can be a regular expression. Combination of two regular expressions can also be a regular expression, and closure of a regular expression is also a regular expression. So this is about the formal definition of regular expression. Now we will discuss some examples, that is how to generate a regular expression. The question is, write a regular expression containing 0, 1, 1 preceded and followed by number of zeros and ones over input 0 and 1. So this is a question. We have to generate a regular expression. The input symbols are 0 and 1 and we want 0, 1, 1 as a compulsory part in the string, and it should be followed and preceded by number of zeros and ones. So it is not given how many number of zeros and ones should be there. So it can be infinite. So we have to write first of all regular expression for any number of zeros and ones. Any number of zeros and ones can be written as 0 plus 1 closure. Okay, means either 0 or 1, and its closure will be infinite time. So in the string, infinite times zeros and ones can be there, and then the regular expression will be 0, 1, 1. This will be a compulsory part and it will be preceded and followed by 0 plus 1 closure, 0 plus 1 closure. That is containing 0, 1, 1 preceded and followed by number of zeros and number of ones. This is about regular expression. Now the next question is, give irregular expression for set of all strings over 0 and 1 which has at most two ones. At most means what? Either 0, 1 or 1, 1 or 2, 1. This is about the at most two ones. Okay, and any number of zeros will be allowed because the input symbols are 0 and 1, but the number of ones should be either 1, 1 or 2 ones. So the expression can be written as 0, 1, 0 closure, 1, 0 closure. This will be for at most two ones. Okay, or 0 closure, 1, 0 closure. This will be for this one, that is at least 1, 1. Okay, that is single one, and 0 closure will be for no one. So this is how you have to generate a regular expression for the given question. And the last question we are discussing is set of all strings over A and B beginning and ending with B. So beginning and ending with B, and in between anything can be allowed with over input A and B. So it will be represented as B, A plus B closure B. This is about the regular expression over, and these are some examples of regular expression. We discussed definition with some examples of how to generate a regular expression for a given problem. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see more videos on this topic.